just broke the record for subsonic suicide. Yeah. That's crazy, man. What you end up being like with the final points and everything? What is it? 160. Can I come in? Can you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Mariano. I got 4 ZB515s, 2 Terra AKs. I'm only climbing 5K at the moment. The box was designed by Drew Jones and I designed it. I built it.
Okay.
I actually have a previous video with you.
You used to have 2 15s and a 6 and a C-pillar. Now you're a B-pillar with double cone area.
Yeah, the castle. Remember the castle?
Yep.
Yeah.
I remember. Looks really good.
No, I appreciate it. I saw you, I was like, man, I gotta...
Yes, sir, man. Yeah.
They seal you off. You want me to seal you off?
Whatever's loudest. You do what you want to do. You're in control, man.
I'll play lows first.
Sure.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. With me since editing. Petty, bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way it is what it is. Trust me, you get what you get.
That's really good, man.
Yeah, this is a 55 at 20.
Awesome.
Yeah, I haven't made a remeter to see where my peak is at.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I competed some Sonic, that's all.
Yes, sir.
DJ Hurts music. Now ballin' on the city light. King of the South. 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 Who up on the countryside of town. Yeah.
8K is going, so you got a good bit of rise, yeah.
It's rising to 3.
3.
I just gotta add more power, and
Sure.
they want more power.
Oh yeah. Yep. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem, man. I had to catch you, man.
Yes, sir. Big jump from last time.
I appreciate it.
Nice job, man. And you're probably in the, once you get power, you'll probably break 60s. For sure. Oh yeah, you will for sure. You have a good day, man.
You too, man.
I don't know what the peak is yet. I haven't metered it. Just so you know. That shit you did just go up. And I just broke the record for subsonic suicide. Yeah. That's crazy, man. What you end up being like with the final points and everything? What is it? 160.1. Ooh. I'm gonna get now. And wall 2. Fucking crazy. Wall 2. Subsonic, motherfucker, 160. Stuff. You gotta.
Recognize back. Say what I want, man, it's what it had to be. This if that ain't not working after 3 minutes. This is why my homegirl was mad at me. It's why I'm in majesty. When you click, it's the tightest, the pussy, the tightest, the tricks are the coldest, the future, the brightest, the we not divided, the love is divided, and I just gotta thank God that we got it. Oh God, I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know, I haven't had a good time in a long time. Well, I feel blessed. Well, I feel blessed. Well, I feel it is what it is. like fuck. I like. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.